Okay, so hello everyone. Good evening once again. Good evening, Kanishka. How are you? Okay, good evening to all of you and very good evening once again to the YouTube channel of Knowell Bell, where we prepare for your upcoming Sainik School and Rashtriya Military School entrance exams. So everyone, quickly let me know the screen is clear and the voice is clear. Good evening, Likita. Okay, the screen is clear. Clear, okay. Thank you, Kanishka. Okay, so let us get started everyone. In this session today, आपने देखा होगा last classes में हमने percentage discuss किया था. We were discussing about percentage, and in this class today, percentage से very closely associated, very closely knitted, we have a topic that is profit and loss. Okay, good evening, Kavya. How are you? So we have a chapter. The name of the chapter is profit and loss. And if you are very clear with the basics of percentage, अगर आपको percentage बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आ गया है, so profit and loss is going to be very easy for you. Okay, so let us get very quickly started with the chapter of profit and loss. Now everyone, when we start to discuss about profit and loss, there are a couple of things that we must know. Okay, and there are a couple of terms that we should know before starting the topic. Okay, सबसे पहले कुछ ऐसी चीजें हैं जो हमको पता होनी चाहिए. Only and only then we will be able to discuss this chapter. The first very important term that we have everyone is cost price. Okay, what is the first term? Hello Rudraksh. The first important term जो हमको पता होना चाहिए in this chapter, that is cost price. Now what is the meaning of the cost price? Cost price means price at which we purchase something. What is cost price? Cost price is that price at which we purchase any article. Okay, the price at which we purchase something, the price at which we purchase any article. Let us say I purchase this pen for 20 rupees. So what is going to be the cost price? इसका cost price क्या होगा? इसका cost price होगा 20 rupees. The price at which we are purchasing something, कोई भी price जिस पे हम कोई चीज खरीद रहे हैं, उसको हम कहते हैं cost price. What do we call it? We refer it to as cost price. Okay. Good evening, Virat. The second important one that we have over here is SP. What is the meaning of SP? SP refers to selling price. What is the meaning of SP? SP refers to selling price. Now, what is the meaning of selling price? As the name indicate, when we are selling something, जब भी हम कोई चीज sell कर रहे हैं, so the price at which I am selling something or we are selling something, उस price को हम क्या कहते हैं? We call it selling price. Price at which we sell any article. Okay, the price at which we sell something or the price at which we sell an article, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? We call it selling price. So let us say I have an apple. Okay, I have an apple and I purchased the apple. मैंने क्या किया? I have purchased the apple at rupees 20. At what price I have purchased this apple? ये apple मैंने खरीदा rupees 20 में, and now I am selling this apple forward. इसी apple को मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? I am trying to selling this apple forward at rupees 25. So what will be the cost price? 20 is the cost price or 25 is the cost price? What will be the cost price here? इनमें से क्या cost price होगा? Is 20 the cost price or is 25 the cost price? I purchased it for rupees 20 and I am selling it for rupees 25. So we have to find out what will be the cost price. Okay, we have to find out what will be the cost price. Yes, everyone. 20, correct. What will be the cost price? Correctly answered, Kavya. 20 will be the cost price. And what will be the SP or selling price? Selling price क्या होगा यहाँ पे? Good evening, Bhavya. What will be the selling price? The selling price will be rupees 25. Okay, what will be the selling price? It will be rupees 25. Now once again everyone, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? I am selling it for 25. तो यहाँ पे 25, the cost price, the selling price, what it is? It is higher than CP. What it is? It is higher than CP. Okay, selling price here is higher than CP. But there was one more condition. उसमें ये भी हो सकता था that selling price is rupees 15. What if I am selling it at rupees 15? In this condition, what is there? यहाँ पे क्या है? Here, the selling price is lower than, it is lower than cost price. So because of this reason, the selling price can be higher than the cost price or the selling price can be lower than the cost price. So because of these two reasons, हमारे पास दो और नए terms आते हैं. What are these two terms? Okay. So selling price दो parts में हम divide कर सकते हैं इसको. Selling price can be higher than CP. Selling price can be higher than CP, or we can say selling price is lower than CP. We can say selling price is higher than CP, or we can say selling price is lower than CP. Whenever selling price is higher than CP, जब भी selling price higher होगा, so what condition will be there? There will be the condition of profit. Whenever the selling price is higher, that means what happened? I purchased the apple for 20 rupees. I am selling it for 25 rupees. So यहाँ पे मुझे क्या हुआ? I am getting a profit. What happened here? I am getting a profit over here. On the other hand, whenever the selling price is lower than cost price, whenever the selling price is lower than cost price, such a condition we are going to call it loss. इस condition को हम क्या कहेंगे? We are calling it loss. Example can be like I purchased apple for 20 and I am selling it for 15. So I am selling it at a lesser price. मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? I am selling it at a lesser price. So this will be a condition of what? This is going to be the condition of loss. So in this chapter mainly we have to study about profit and loss only. When we will observe profit हमको कब होगा? We will observe profit when selling price is greater than cost price. Whenever the selling price is greater than cost price, we will observe profit. हमको loss कब होगा? Whenever selling price is less than cost price. Okay, whenever selling price is less than cost price, we will observe loss. So from here we can take out the formula for profit. Profit का formula क्या होता है? Profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. What is the formula for profit? Selling price minus cost price. What is the formula of loss? Loss का formula होता है loss is equals to CP minus SP. So these are the two formulas that are there which are going to help us a lot in solving the questions. Okay. So let us get started directly with the questions. So everyone, we have the question number 1 in front of us. Question number 1 is, a watch was purchased for rupees 785 and it was then sold for 869. Find profit or loss. Solve the question everyone. Question number 1, a watch was purchased. We are purchasing it. That means it is CP. CP is rupees 785. Then it was sold. We are selling it for. That means it is SP 869. यहाँ से हम क्या देख सकते हैं? We can see that SP is greater than CP. What we can see here? We can see that SP is greater than CP. That makes it a condition for profit. ये किसका condition हुआ? This is the condition of profit. What is the formula for profit everyone? Profit का formula क्या है? We just discussed. Profit is equals to SP minus CP. What is the value of SP? 869. What is the value of CP? 785. Solve the question everyone. What will be the value? 9 minus 5. We are going to get 4. 16 minus 8. 8. Anyone got the answer? 84 rupees profit. Correct. Very good. You gave the answer first, Virat, but you just said it will be profit. आपने value नहीं बताई. You have to solve the questions, everyone. SP minus CP. Correct. Profit कितना होगा यहाँ पे? What is going to be the answer? Answer is that we will obtain a profit of rupees 84. How much profit we will have? We will have a profit of rupees 84. Correct. Okay. Yes, the price at which we sell something, that is selling price, and the price at which we purchase something, that is cost price. So यहाँ पे हमको क्या होगा? We will obtain a profit of rupees 84. Next is the question number 2. A tea set was bought for rupees 500 and it was sold for rupees 446. Find profit or loss. Find out profit or loss. It was bought. Whenever we are buying something, we are purchasing something, तो ये कौन सा price होता है? This is the cost price. What is the value of cost price? Rupees 500, and we are selling it for sold. That means what is the value of SP? SP is 446. तो हम यहाँ से क्या देख सकते हैं? We can see selling price is lower than cost price. Whenever selling price is lower than cost price, this becomes a condition of loss. Correct. Very good, Rudraksh. This becomes a condition of loss. So how we will calculate the loss? Loss का formula क्या होता है? Loss is CP minus SP. What is the value of CP? 500. SP is 446. How much we are going to get here? Subtract it. 10 minus 6, we'll get 4. Okay. Then you are left with 9. 9 minus 4, 5. How come 64? Okay, so what will be the answer? 54. 64 क्यों होगा बेटा? देखो 500 minus 446. This will become 4. This will become 10. 9, 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 4, 5. 54. Okay, so answer will be 54. The next question, question number 3. A fan was purchased for rupees 1280 and sold for rupees 1860 after spending rupees 180 on transportation. Find out the profit. Okay, so सबसे पहले one thing to notice, question has already told you that this is the case of profit. So one of the thing is solved. Now another thing is a fan was purchased. That means what was the CP? CP was 1280. It was sold for 1260 after spending. यहाँ पे देखिए, we are learning something new. After spending rupees 180 on transportation, we are spending 180 on transportation. तो आपको हमेशा याद रखना है. Okay, we will learn here about overhead expenses. We will learn here about overhead expenses. What is the meaning of overhead expenses? Overhead expenses means expenses such as transport, repair, etc. Okay, any cost that you are paying for transport, any cost that we are paying for repair, इसको हम हमेशा कहाँ पे ऐड करते हैं? This is always added in CP. इसको हम हमेशा कहाँ पे ऐड करते हैं? Overhead expenses like transport. Let us say I purchased a fan for rupees 1200 and for transport I had to pay 150. तो वो मुझे ही पे करना पड़ रहा है. So original cost is higher than cost price. तो हमको ध्यान रखना है overhead expenses like transportation charges, repair charges, machinery charges, any random charges are given. वो आपके हमेशा किसमें ऐड होंगे? They will always add in CP. So यहाँ what will be the new CP? New CP क्या बनेगा? New CP will be old CP plus overhead expenses. What will be the new CP? Old CP plus overhead expenses. So everyone have a look here. What was the CP? CP value is 1280. What is the value of SP? SP value is 1860. Then they are spending rupees 180 on transportation. So transportation क्या है? Transportation is overhead expenses. What is transportation? Transportation is overhead expenses, and overhead expenses they are always added in CP. हम उसको हमेशा कहाँ ऐड करते हैं? We always add it in CP. So what will be the new CP? New CP will be old CP plus overhead expenses. Old CP कितना था? 1280, 1280 plus overhead expenses, that is 180. What will be the new CP? What will be the value of new CP? Add it everyone. 0, 8, 8, 16, 1 carried, 3, 1360 rupees. What will be the value of new CP? New CP का value कितना होगा? 1360. Now, this is a condition of profit. तो यहाँ से हम profit calculate करेंगे. Profit is SP minus CP. What is the value of SP? 1860. What is the value of CP? CP is 1360. We will subtract them both. 0, 0. 8 minus 3. How much will be the answer? 1400. How come? Virat, how come? Kanishka, do the subtraction here. What will be the profit? How come 760? 760 कैसे आया भाव्या? 500 will be the profit. Profit कितना होगा यहाँ पे? 500. ये भी तो हम ऐड करेंगे. Where will 180 go? 120 is the transportation cost. तो अब आपको ऐड करना होगा in the cost price. Okay. So first you will calculate new CP. New CP हमने कैसे calculate किया? We added overhead expenses in it. उसके बाद जो CP आया उससे हम आगे क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे. करेक्ट कनिष्का. 500 will be the right answer. Okay. The next question. Raman purchased an old watch for rupees 970 and spent rupees 290 on its repair and sold it for 1515. Find profit or loss. We have to find out the value of profit or loss. So Raman purchased an old watch. He purchased it. Purchase price is cost price. Cost price is rupees 970. He spent rupees 290 on his repair. उसने कितने rupees spend किए on repair? Repair is what? Repair is overhead expenses. Overhead expenses को हम हमेशा किस में add करते हैं? We always add it in CP. What is overhead expense? Overhead expense is rupees 290. And he is selling it for 1515. So what is SP? SP is rupees 1515. Whenever in a question you have CP and overhead expenses, जब भी किसी question में हमारे पास CP होगा and overhead expenses होगा, first thing you will always do is we will always calculate new CP. हम क्या करेंगे? We are going to calculate new CP. What is the value of new CP? Old CP plus overhead expenses. What was the old CP? 970. Overhead expenses 290. 0. 7, 7, 15, 16. 6. 1 carried 10. And 12. 1260. What is the value of new CP? 1260. Now we can see here SP कितना है? 1515. CP is 1260. तो यहाँ पे what we can say? SP is greater than CP. SP value is greater than CP. तो ये किसका question हुआ? This is a question for profit. What is the formula of profit? SP minus CP. SP is 1515. CP is 1260. That is 5. 6 minus 1. Sorry, 10 minus 6. 4, 1, 5. 4 minus 2. You will get 2. 255. What will be the profit value? 255. Yes, you have given the correct answer, Bhavya. Good. You are first. Correct. 255. Correct, Rupari. Okay, 255. Okay. For this question, you are first, Likita. Let me see. You have given the answer for previous question. Likita, you gave the answer for question number 2. Your video, I think it's not in the live. वो थोड़ा सा पीछे चल रहा है. ये हो सकता है. You are currently in the second or third question. Okay. 255. Correct, Rudraksh. Correct, Kanishka. Good. Okay. The next question. Question number 5. Okay. Before that, we have profit and loss percentage. Okay, Arya. We have profit and loss percentage. टिल नाउ व्हाट वी वर डूइंग, अभी तक हम क्या कर रहे थे? टिल नाउ वी वर डूइंग simply calculating profit and loss. Now we have to calculate profit percent. What we have to calculate? We have to calculate profit percent. Profit के percent क्या होगा? Profit upon CP into 100. What is the formula for profit percent? Profit upon CP into 100. And what is the formula of loss percent? Loss percent होता है loss upon CP into 100. Profit upon CP into 100, loss upon CP into 100. And always keep in mind, ये question एक साल पूछा गया है, that profit and loss percent are always calculated on base of CP. Profit and loss percent are always calculated on CP. मतलब आप यहाँ पे in the denominator you always have to take up CP. We cannot take SP here. यहाँ पे हम SP नहीं ले सकते. We always and always have to take CP. So we'll keep in mind the formulas. Profit percent. Profit percent होता है profit upon CP into 100. Loss percent. Loss upon CP into 100. Okay. Now let us start with the question. The question number 5 says a crockery set was bought for rupees 400 and was sold for rupees 352. Solve the question, everyone. What will be the answer? A crockery set was bought for rupees 400 and was sold for rupees 352. For what cost we are purchasing it? Bought. Bought means CP. Sold means SP. So what is CP? CP is 400. What is SP? SP is 352. So यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं CP is greater than SP. That makes it a condition of loss. Okay, that will make it a condition of loss. Correct. Rudraksh. But we don't have to find loss. हमको क्या find करना है? We have to find out the loss percentage. So what will be the formula of loss? सबसे पहले हम loss calculate करेंगे. Loss will be CP minus SP. What is CP? 400 minus 352. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 5, 4. What is the value of loss? Loss is 48. But what is question saying? Question हमसे क्या कह रहा है? Question is saying we have to find out loss percentage. What is question saying? Question is saying we have to find loss percentage. Loss percentage, loss upon CP into 100. What is the value of loss? 48. 48 upon CP. CP value is how much? 400 multiplied by 100. Okay, 48 upon 400 into 100. Good, Bhavya. 2 zeros will be cancelled here. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 2 times is 8. So loss percent कितना हुआ? Loss percent is 12%. What is the value of loss percent? 12%. Correct. Good. Everyone is answering correctly over here. 12% is the right answer. Next question. A shopkeeper sells a bicycle for rupees 575 and incurs a loss of 75. Find his loss percent. A shopkeeper sells a bicycle for rupees 575. So what is happening? The shopkeeper is selling a bicycle for rupees 575. So what is SP? SP is 575. He gets a loss. Loss कितने का हुआ? Loss value is 75. हमको क्या find करना है? We have to find out loss percent. What we have to find in this question? We have to find out loss percent. What is the formula of loss percent? Loss percent होता है loss upon CP into 100. What is the value of loss percent? Loss upon CP into 100. Okay. Now, have a look here. There we go. Okay. This is the formula of loss. From here, we have to find out CP. Okay. So loss is equals to CP minus SP. What we have the SP value. हमारे पास क्या present है? We have the value of SP. So SP will come here. CP कितना होगा? Loss upon SP is equals to CP. तो CP की वैल्यू कितनी हुई? CP is loss plus SP. Okay, so have a look here. What is given? SP and loss. So what will be the value of CP? CP क्या होगा? CP is loss plus SP. Loss value is 75. SP value is 575. Find out the value of CP. How much we are going to get? What will be the 10? 1 carried, 7, 7, 14, 1, 15. 5, 1 carry, 650. What will be the value here? 650. Good. Calculate the CP. Anyone got the CP value? Okay, Roshan, take care. It's okay. Good evening. Take care, beta. अभी बारिश का सीजन था ना, so there are like lots of mosquitoes. 650 is correct, Kanishka. Okay, eat proper food, take proper care, अच्छे से medicine लो. Okay, Roshan. 650. चलिए, let us calculate loss percent. Loss percent is loss, that is 75 upon CP. CP is 650 into 100. Solve it. Solve the question, everyone. 0, 0. 5 ones are 5. 1 carried. 5 threes are 15. 5 twos are 10. 5 2 times 10. 7 twos are 14. Plus 1. 15. Correct. Good. What was your answer, Bhavya? You raised it. 0, 0 will get cancelled. It will become 750 upon 65. Solve it, everyone. 5 ones are 5, 6, 7. 2 is remaining. 5 5s are 25. 0. 5 1 time 5. 1 carried. 5 3 times is 15. Convert it into mixed fraction में भी आपका आंसर हो सकता है यहाँ पे. Okay. Which question you are saying, Likita? This one, where we calculated CPU. This one you are saying. New CP will be 0, 0, 0, 8, 8, 16. 1 carried. 2, 1, 3. Correct. This will be 1460. Good, Likita. Okay. And then we will subtract it. 1460. 0, 0, 4. 150 upon 13. Okay. Good. The next question, everyone. An article was purchased for rupees 7,500 and it was sold for rupees 8,400. Find out the value of profit percent. 10% answer आया रुद्राक्ष का previous question में. कैसे 10% आया? Add करो दोनों को, कितना आ रहा है? Add it here. How much you will get? 5, 5, 10. 575 and 75. How much? There you go. 7, 7, 14, 1. 15. 650. And your loss is 75. Okay, so how come it will be 10% then? This will become how much? 75,000 upon 65. तो 10% कैसे आएगा? 10% तो नहीं आएगा. Okay, no, I have not forgotten you, Janvi. Okay, it has been quite a while since you joined the class, so मुझे आपका नाम recall नहीं हो रहा था. I remember you very clearly. Okay. Yes, you can cut 65 and 10 from 5. Do that. So in the what you will get? 13 5s are 65. No. Do it. What happened here? Have a look. ये क्या तो है हमने यहाँ पे? 13 5s are 65. 5 2s are 10. 75 into 2, 150. 150 upon 13%. How come 10? Next question, an article was purchased for rupees 7,500 and sold for rupees 8,400. Find profit percent. It was purchased. That means what is the value of CP? CP कितना है? CP is rupees 7,500. SP is rupees 8,400. We have to find profit percent. Profit कितना होगा? SP minus CP. SP is 8,400 minus 7,500. Okay. Okay, we will do it once again, Rudraksh. Don't worry. Solve this question. What will be the value of profit? Profit कितना आएगा इसमें? What will be the value of profit? 0, 0. 10 minus 5, we'll get 5. 5, 4, 9. 900. What is the value of profit? The value of profit is 900. We'll calculate profit percent. Profit percent कितना हुआ? Profit upon CP into 100. What is the value of profit? How much is the profit? $900 upon CP. 7500 into 100. 0 zeros got cancelled here. 5, 15 times is 75. 5 ones are 5. 5 eights are 40. 0. We are left with 180 upon 15. 60 upon 5. That will be equal to how much? It will be equal to 12%. Okay, 12% is correct, right? 12 is the correct answer. Correct, Likhita. Correct. 900 is the profit. Correct. 12% is right, Bhavya. Good. Okay, so we have done close to 7 questions today. And tomorrow, everyone, we are going to do इसी के questions को हम थोड़ा continue करेंगे. And we will work more on loss percent and profit percent questions, because very rarely the question gets asked directly for profit or loss. Questions generally आपको profit or loss percent से ही associated आते हैं. So we will work more on them. Okay, so tomorrow also everyone we will have a class from 8:15, and there we will continue with the questions of profit and loss. So this class we are going to sum up. Your answer is correct, Janvi. 12 is going to be the correct answer. Okay. Yes, you were first. So everyone, we will be summing up this class now, and we'll meet once again tomorrow at 8:15. Good night, everyone. Correct, Rudraksh. 12 is the right answer. Bye, Kanishka. Good night.